Hi everyone, I've now got the clips put in with the screws. Now the grill's on. I've got one in here, where are you? There, that little bracket needs repairing, and I've got to do one for in there as well, and then that's that done. These are the clips I bought. Little plastic clips, those £8 I think on eBay. And it comes with the screws and they just push in. So yeah. So that's that. I've got to make sure everything lines up before I do any body work. So that's the grilling properly. Now I'm going to try and adjust the lights. I'll be back with you shortly. Hi everyone, so I've been doing, I've just made the plate smaller. I welded a nut on the front here and then I grinded the nut down to a thin piece. I don't like the clips for the lights. Yeah. Size 11 nuts. Right, put a nut in there. I grinded that. I'm just going to grind that down a bit more. And that is my new headlight holders. A lot better than the originals. So I'll be back with you shortly. Yeah, that's what I've done. Got a nut that comes through the back, through the front. It don't matter about this little gap, but I will file it down a bit more. But the light's adjustable anyway, so that does not matter. It just means you go a little bit further out. So that's in line with the grill. It's in line with the bottom of here. Probably still needs a few more adjustments. But that's what I've been doing. Now I've just got to go and do this side. And I'll be back with you shortly. Yeah, another one done. Now I'm just about to put the light in. I'll be back with you shortly. While I wait for my scuttle to come, I'm gonna make this little plate that goes in here to strengthen it, and then put a plate there for the wing mount. Big hole under there. So I'm gonna clean this paint off here on the edges and start finishing that. That'll be shortly. All that's in. I'm just making this bit now here. Just cut that section out there. And this is the new piece that I'm making, where the wing sits into. That'll go in there like that. I'll be back with you when I've done that. Top of the roof, that's my next thing. Hi everyone, sorry for no videos, but I've been extremely busy. Been putting that back in. New skull. So that's why I haven't been doing any videos. In here is almost ready to paint. I've now got to clean that lip there and get some seam sealer in there underneath. That's the work that I did today. I've left some drain holes, so I've tested because I put rust treatment down in there and it runs through here, so any water that gets in there will run straight out here and down here. So all that's done. I'm just going to make a little bit of a lip here that connects up to here, and then a little bit from here up, and then it'll only be this little circle there then. And then after that, it will be sanding all this down, doing some minor filling here and there to tidy it up, and then it will be getting painted. So that's why I haven't really been filming anything. I've been busy. So back with you shortly. Obviously there's my dash. I gotta dust it off. But that's done. I've even got a lip here on both sides. I'll start cleaning underneath because ready for paint. So what she's looking like. Looking more complete. This is back in properly, where the wiper thing comes down. Scuttle, beautiful scuttle. All the dash is painted, it's just got dust on it. I've just put some seam seal around that. It looks smoother in real life. Once in there's all painted, my airbox can go in. All I gotta do is just go around sanding all of this smooth. Do a bit of filling here and there just to tidy some stuff up. And she's ready for... How beautiful she is. She's looking better than ever. All the wings line up because of I can show you. Let me have a look and see if I can. Oh, that's... I put another layer on there. That's extra thick. Look how nice that looks. So yeah, just a little update. Ready to be sanded down and painted. And then it will be subframe rebuild. Got all the bits for that, springs, shocks, the lot, and engine at the same time, because I need to build them both at the same time because they're going in as one lump. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the update. So anyone who said she should have been scrapped, yeah, think again. She's nearly back. I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and you've got lots to look forward to. So more engine bay work. Bye bye.